How to use unprivileged advantages to achieve your goals in life. Are you someone who often feels like you're at a disadvantage in life? Maybe you didn't have the same opportunities as others, or you don't come from a wealthy or privileged background. It's easy to get stuck in a cycle of negative thinking and believe that your circumstances are holding you back from achieving your goals. But what if we told you that you can use those very disadvantages to your advantage? In fact, some of the most successful people in the world started from humble beginnings. They used their struggles and hardships as motivation to reach their goals. So how can you use your own disadvantages to your advantage? Here are a few tips to get you started. 1. Identify what makes you unique. The first step in using your disadvantages to your advantage is to identify what makes you unique. What struggles have you faced that others may not have? What experiences have you had that have shaped who you are today? Embrace these qualities and use them to your advantage. For example, if you grew up in a low-income household, you may have developed a strong work ethic and resourcefulness that can help you excel in a career that values these skills. Or if you have a physical disability, you may have developed resilience and determination that can help you overcome obstacles in your personal and professional life. 2. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Just because you may not have access to the same resources as others doesn't mean you can't achieve your goals. It's important to remember that no one achieves success entirely on their own. Reach out to mentors, join networking groups, and seek out opportunities for professional development. You never know who may be willing to help or provide valuable advice. Additionally, there are many resources available for individuals who come from disadvantaged backgrounds, such as scholarships, grants, and community organizations. Don't be afraid to take advantage of these resources to help you achieve your goals. 3. Focus on your strengths. It's easy to get caught up in what you don't have, but it's important to focus on what you do have and how you can leverage those strengths to achieve your goals. Take the time to identify your unique skills and talents and find ways to showcase them in your work or personal life. For example, if you have a talent for writing, start a blog or contribute articles to online publications. This can help you build your reputation and make connections in your industry. Or if you have a talent for public speaking, seek out opportunities to give presentations or join a local Toastmasters club. By focusing on your strengths, you can build confidence and create a path to success that's uniquely suited to you. 4. Be willing to take risks. Sometimes the biggest rewards come from taking risks and stepping outside of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to try new things or pursue opportunities that may seem daunting at first. Remember, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Taking risks can help you grow personally and professionally, and can lead to new and exciting opportunities that you may not have considered before. Of course, it's important to weigh the risks and benefits before making any major decisions. But don't let fear hold you back from pursuing your goals. 5. Stay focused and committed. Success may not come overnight, but with hard work and dedication, you can achieve your goals. Stay focused on your vision, and don't let setbacks or obstacles deter you from your path. Remember, every successful person has faced challenges along the way. It's how you handle those challenges that sets you apart. Stay committed to your goals, and don't give up until you've achieved what you set out to do. 6. Cultivate growth mindset. Additionally, it's important to cultivate a growth mindset. Instead of thinking that your disadvantages limit your potential, focus on how you can grow and improve from them. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work and dedication. This mindset can help you overcome obstacles and reach your full potential. 7. Finding mentor. Another way to use your disadvantages to your advantage is to find a mentor or role model who has overcome similar challenges. Having someone to look up to and learn from can be incredibly valuable in your own journey. Seek out successful individuals who have faced similar challenges and ask them how they overcame them. Their advice and guidance can help you navigate obstacles and make progress towards your goals. 8. Be grateful. It's also important to stay positive and maintain a sense of gratitude. Instead of dwelling on what you don't have, focus on what you do have and be grateful for it. Gratitude can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals, and it can also help you maintain a positive attitude in the face of challenges. 9. Be an inspiration. Another way to use your disadvantages to your advantage is to use them as inspiration for your work or personal projects. For example, if you grew up in a low-income household and struggled to afford healthy food, you could start a community garden or blog about healthy, affordable meal options. This can not only help you overcome your own challenges, but it can also help others who may be facing similar obstacles. 10. Helping others. Lastly, don't be afraid to advocate for yourself and others who may be facing similar challenges. Use your voice and your experiences to raise awareness and push for change. This can be through activism, advocacy, or simply speaking up in your own personal and professional life. By using your voice to create change, you can make a positive impact and help others who may be struggling. In conclusion, your disadvantages don't have to hold you back. By embracing your unique qualities, seeking help and support, focusing on your strengths, taking risks, and staying committed, you can use your disadvantages to your advantage and achieve your goals. Remember to cultivate a growth mindset. Seek out mentors and role models. Stay positive and grateful. Use your experiences as inspiration and advocate for yourself and others. With these tools, you can create a fulfilling life for yourself and make a positive impact in the world. If you love this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it. And please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos that will help your personal growth. See you in the next video.